How you liking your new haircut, honey? Keep them warm by the fireplace. You still under your anesthesia from getting your hair cut? Oh, look at you. Yeah. Such a tired little boy. You tired little boy? Huh? You tired? Yeah, you want to come over here? You come over here? Oh, careful. Oh, you gonna come here? Oh, nice boy. You gonna come here? Oh, you wanna sit on my lap? What you doing? Such a nice boy. Look at you. You're so pretty with your haircut. Nice boy. Yeah, a nice boy. Look at you. You look so nice with your haircut. Your hair looks lighter now that it's so short. Yeah. Like your little lion cut, huh? You like it? It looks amazing. Yeah. Such a nice boy. Let me see your paws. Where's your paws at? Aw. There's your little paws. Aw, you have little boots now, don't you? Yeah. Nice little paws. Such a pretty boy. Yeah. Nice boy. Such a good boy. You are. Such a nice baby kitty. Aren't you, Mr. Boopers? Yeah. Nice boy.